Please advise, only board the Parking Spot West shuttle. The Parking Spot West shuttle arrives every 5 to 15 minutes from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. After 11 p.m. and before 7 a.m., the shuttles arrive every 30 minutes, but we recommend that you call the parking spot office and alert them that you are ready to be picked up by calling 512-385-9343 or by downloading and calling a shuttle via the Parking Spot app. After claiming your baggage, please head to the pickup zone located at the pillar with the off-site shuttle pickup sign. The shuttle dispatch number, if you have any questions, is 512-385-9343. Board the next available Parking Spot West shuttle and tell the driver that you are picking up a Turo vehicle from the Park My Share lot. Check your host's message for the aisle and space number where the vehicle was parked. Once you arrive to the parking spot Park My Share lot, find your vehicle and follow your host's check-in instructions. The exit gate will automatically open after reading the AVI tag on your host's vehicle. If you have any issues with the exit gate, hit the intercom button to be connected to a member of our team. If you need any additional assistance, please contact your host.